Welcome to Birds Haven Farms, located in Granville, Ohio, in Licking County. Our family farm feeds 215 families each week through our community-supported agriculture subscription. We utilize 6 different high tunnels for season extension. We also attend 5 farm markets each week and wholesale orders to the Granville School District, Denison University, and Licking Memorial Hospital, as well as other restaurants. Being a small family business, we employ 5 employees seasonally. The increased production could allow us to hire full-time employees year-round.
Brussels sprouts and broccoli, I'm going to the farmer's market. Pepper, parsley, pumpkin, pecan, bag loaded down. Cauliflower, kale, and corn, I'm going to the farmer's market.
One of our largest crops is sweet corn. We grow about 15 acres of sweet corn each year. It also is our largest deer damage. As you can see, the deer eat down the whole stalk and will take bites at the top of the sweet corn, which won't allow it to pollinate. We lost the first 2 plantings this year. This is the 8th planting, which has significant deer damage.
The corn is early, the pumpkin's late, I'm going to the farmer's market. If it's out of season, I can wait to come back loaded. I'm going to the farmer's market, the farmer's market.
We've tried many means of control for the pests, including electric fence, which the deer have already knocked down most of this electric fence, liquid fence, sound, noise, and many other alternative means. But for the past years, we continue to lose over 30% of the crops to deer damage. The project would consist of deer fencing this back 20-acre field, which was currently used this past year for sweet corn, sweet potatoes, hot peppers, and other crops. This field, we lose almost 50% of production to deer damage, overall 30% on the farm. The field is surrounded in the back by an abandoned winery, a retired Christmas tree farm, and a golf course. So it's really deer heaven back here. Deer fencing this land would allow us to increase our production, not to have to plant overage, and allow for many of our acres to be rested for better conservation. Alright, so what do you think about the deer eating all your daddy's food?
Not good.
Nope. What else do you think, Ella, about the deer?
They eat our corn.
They eat your corn?
And we don't like it anymore.